Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how you can complete your instrument cover assignment. So I'm starting here on my very first slide. It says instrument cover and it asks you to put your song link inside the slideshow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to YouTube and look up a song that I like. You can look up any song that you want to play your instrument cover to. Just make sure it's school appropriate. And if it is not school appropriate, you have to get the clean version or the instrumental version. All right, once you find your song, you're going to go up to the link here, hold down your finger on your iPad, and it's going to ask you to copy it. And then you can go back to your slideshow. And right here, you can hold down your finger again and paste it. Awesome. Now I have my link. Slide number 2. The directions say, listen to your song. And while you're listening to it, you're going to write down the patterns that you want to play on your instruments. So I have my 3 instruments here. And I have my 2 drumsticks. I'm using 2 plastic markers, and I'm using 3 water-filled jars. They're each going to be filled differently. So I have my 3 instruments, and I have my 2 drumsticks. I'm going to go ahead and play my song. And while I'm listening to it, I'm going to be thinking about what patterns I could be playing. All right, so I've listened to my song. Now I'm going to invent my pattern. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to just name my 3 instruments, drum number 1, drum number 2, and drum number 3. You can name them whichever way you want. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to play drum number 1, and then drum number 2, and then I'm going to go to drum number 3 and go 1, 2, 3. So that's what I'm going to play. I'm going to go ahead and write it down. So I did 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. And then I went 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. So let me play what I wrote down. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. All right, that's what I'm going to play. That's going to be my A section rhythm. Now I need to come up with my B rhythm. And the B rhythm pattern has to be using 2 of the 4 body percussion movements. We talked about this on Tuesday. You can choose between snap, clap, pat, and stop. I chose snap and pat. Snap and clap. So I'm going to just go snap, 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 clap, 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 clap. So I'll write that down. Snap, 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 clap, 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 clap. Okay, so I made my 2 patterns. 1, da 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 da, da 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 da, and snap, 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 clap, 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 clap. So those are the 2 patterns I'm going to use. On to slide number 3. Now I just get to practice. So I'm going to go ahead and practice it with my song. So try and find patterns that go along with the song you're playing. I'm going to go back to the original one. And it's over. So just to recap what we did, we copied and pasted our link into slide number 1. And the way we did that was we either went up here and copied it, or we can go down here to the share button right below your video. And if you push share, you'll find the copy button right here. And then you can paste it right there. For slide number 2, we listened to our song, and as we listened to it, we decided, oh, okay, I think this rhythm would sound really good. And I discovered that that is the rhythm that I wanted to play. So I named my drums, number 1, number 2, and number 3, and then I wrote it down. And then section B, I chose 2 of my 4 body percussion choices, snap and clap, and I wrote down what pattern I wanted to do there. I wrote snap 4 times, followed by clap 4 times. And then slide number 3, I practiced my part. Basically what I did was I took section A and section B, and I played the song and decided when I wanted to change in between each part. So after you practice, feel free to come back to the Google Meet live lesson and share what you're working on with me. This is where you can ask for help or feedback, or if you just want to show off what you already have, come back and share your screen, and I'd love to see what you guys have made. All right, make sure that you put in your song link, and make sure that you give me a written copy of what your 2 patterns are. After that, practice and turn in your assignment. Remember that you can turn in your assignment by pushing the button that says Mark as Done. All right, that's all you got to do.